Hey! Oh! Sit down!
Do you know what I'm drinking?
Relax, bro. It was like 3 months ago. Plus, it was just a prank. Get over it.
You broke the coffee maker, and now I have to drink tea.
Well, if you didn't insist on being the banker in that game Monopoly, none of this would have ever happened.
That was just a game. That knife you had took my eye out. Oh, don't go back!
Don't play Monopoly unless you can handle the consequences. See, I told you we would sort out our differences. And I even fixed the coffee maker. You never appreciate anything that I do. You are so rude. You owe me an apology, don't you? Yes, you do.
You're the best roommate I've ever had. I love you.
I could never be upset with you. You're too darn cute for that! Besides, who else would I play Monopoly with? But next time, I'm gonna be the banker. I almost forgot. Stay here, bud. I replaced your favorite mug. You silly little Butterfinger boy! Can't hold your coffee now, can you? Stay there. I know I should be mad at him, but I was a jerk. I made his favorite coffee, but I have a special treat. Where are you going, pal? Remember this? Oh, time to play my favorite game. Oh, 7. Come here. Give me your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4-year-old. Now that's a good roll there, buddy. One thing I thought is, you never play fair. You are a cheater! I thought we were in love. Turns out that was a lie. I made that coffee special for you, and you had to go and turn it around on me.
Yeah, hi. My name is Jake. I saw your ad for the roommate, and I'm very interested. So, if you could give me a call back at this number, that would be great. Thank you.